Dumelang Sanbanai and greetings to you all. Well, I go by the name of Tlotliso Wakano Sang, aka Mapiano Adikwa Iri. Well, today I'm mafiking for the arts and culture um, music workshops. This is day one of the workshop, the 16th of May 2025. We were settling down more, waiting for the facilitators to start with the presentation on the music production. But my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, and continue doing the Lord's work. Mogi headed to the breakfast venue, the most important part of the session. We're done with the second session, so I want to interview some of the guys that we are attending the workshop with. Ori, what have they taken with them so far? Can you please introduce yourself and tell them why you're here?
Oh, I go by the name of Kamalage, President from the King. I'm regarding music workshops. I've learned more about music. I've learned about the studio, how studio operates, and when I say musician, to expect music industry, studio, to expect it.
My name is Tebo, but I go by the name of MW the Truji, because I'm an artist representing Northwest 018, as you already know. No, you're not going to get any culture like you used to. Yeah.
Yeah, what can you tell Motoiling for like what was that music and then what register and what are the necessary steps to go about it?
The best key to that, align yourself, know yourself, be original to yourself. But that's the only best key, because you can't do nothing if you ain't yourself.
My name is Onaden Namilamu, aka Gilen Dog Boy. Gilen is a nickname for my village where I come from. That was summed up. Full name is Khanalahte, so we call it Gilen. So I took the name Gilen from there, and then I created my own name. From today, I think now I'm passionate, and I'll be able to register tomorrow. Maybe if my guy can help me. Tomorrow, make sure I register, yes.
I won't lie.
Yeah.
Even though kids, but I'm learning something.
Yeah.
Whatever since I was and since I've done it myself. But
including registering.
Yeah.
With some roles and all that. So did they charge you 100 rand for register for Kosambro? Because I hear somebody for register Kosambro it's 100 rand.
No.
Okay.
I did it for free.
When did you register?
Can register on online. You send me the email.
Yeah.
I got the forms. I'll create the form. Can send the email. Can register.
Yeah. This is Root Note, the website where you can upload your music for free, and then it can play on different platforms, including the TikTok and all that. This was the last session of the day. We were going to meet again tomorrow morning. Yes. And here when ba re tlhalosetsa ka go collect the keys as we are sharing. Also na mphakile na a ilatlhela go fatshe instead of go mpha cause ke shoota content. Yo, a lapisa moya. Welcome home. Lighty guy, lighty. Washa. And this is the room tour, guys. Apparently this is a 4-star B&B. So hey, as Jajan, as Klegan, as Jajan kusho ukuthi kunjani. I woke up in the morning and then decided, okay, let me iron my clothes because sitting book ironing, and then bath. After bathing, I went outside some snippets to show you guys the view of where I was sleeping. Hi guys, it's day 2 of the workshop. And then, let's join in the corner. And then we headed straight to my favorite part of the mall. Food. Yes. I know they are very dry. I can't tell you how did they prepare them.
Do you come in?
Osaka, don't you have bananas?
I don't have.
After breaking the fast, we headed straight to the business of the day, which is music, the reason why we're here. And then this is one of the beneficiaries of Prince Willis music production, Bukamosho, one of the facilitators.
Hi, Nake Memalebu, Nakeleko Town, teaching about music workshop, music production workshop. It was a lovely one, met new people. It was quite nice.
Hi, I'm Kinere. We are from Prince Willis Production and we're here for a music workshop. It was nice to meet everyone and hope to see you guys soon.
My name is Bukamo Kunyani, known as Makal the Poet. With the Mr. Willy organization, I benefited a lot. Last year I did EP, so they be proud. Ever since I did it, I'm pushing. I get gigs.
And Kenakoya devote of thanks from the Department of Arts and Culture, the Ngakamoteri Mulema district, and then we headed home. Because I was hungry. You know me, most and food. Thank you guys for watching. I'm signing out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.